be thinking about your intentions.
Steady, steady, we are